Hey! In front of me is Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find Clock app and click on it. Now select Alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon. From here, set up an hour and choose OK. Now you can click on days of the week that you wish to set up, enable or disable vibrations by tapping on this little icon next to Vibrate, choose Add Label and label your alarm however you want to. Then click on OK. You can also add your alarm to Google Assistant routine by clicking on this icon over here. Then choose Default. Tap on one of those sources or choose Dismiss and click on the best melody for you. I will go with Early Twilight. Then go back. But you can also choose the same settings, but this time click on Add New over here. Click on those three lines at the top left corner, tap on one of those sources and click on the song that you wish to add. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back twice. And as you can see now, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it, select Delete icon at the bottom left corner. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings though, you can always do that by choosing those shadows at the top right corner, just selecting settings and adjusting all of them however you wish though. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!